Oh, all right, it's the time. And hello, guys. Oh, do we have everyone? Yes, Eli and Max is not here yet. I think Betsy already mentioned to you guys from this week and on, we're gonna start a project. And then for the rest of the semester, basically you will be working on this project as a team, as your original team A and then team B to finish this project. So today I'm gonna briefly describe what's the project is and then how we want it to work in the end. And, all right, so I will share my screen. This screen too. So the project basically it's very simple, right? So we have this open source project called Motivate, which is somebody write some code and to run in a Linux environment, in Linux Bash. And then when you hit Motivate a command, and then it will give you some Motivate sentence. When you hit another Motivate, it will give you another Motivate sentence. It's a program already written, all right, here in this repo. And then what we want you to do in this project is you kind of pull this, excuse me, you kind of pull down this repo and then modify it to be a web application, which means you want to, in the end, have a website, whatever Amazon AWS website is, and then when people go into this website, they can hit a button, and then when they hit a button, you will give them a motivate sentence. All right, basically somehow made a wrapper on this project. You have all the source code here, and then using all the CI/CD techniques we have taught you, and then published somehow a website into your Amazon AWS service. All right. So I paste some hints in the where is it? Okay, some hints in our share pad. If you be there, you're gonna see this. So we kind of want to divide this into 3 phases. This is the first phase for this week. You want to make the whole website work by doing a Python way and a Java way. All right. So, and then in next week, in the second phase, we're gonna add more function to the website. For example, how we do login, how we do computer securities to prevent people, hacking to our website, kind of thing. So, and then we're not gonna provide step-by-step instructions like the previous labs, but we'll ask yourself to figure out how to do this. This is a very high-level hint, which you can use the words to do Google search, like how to do RESTful service in Python, kind of thing. All right, we will leave you guys to figure it out. It's a more challenged work than the normal lab. All right, and then in the end of the semester, we would like you to submit a report in the end. The report, should be summarized, what's the idea of this project if you were to describe this project to somebody else. For example, if you in a job interview and then you want to say, okay, this is what I do within 3 weeks. I build a website, can do blah, blah, blah. Right? And then in the end, is it work or not? If it does not work, why? If it works, you have to do some screenshots. So, okay, this is how my website look like in the end. This is the address, kind of thing. And then if it does not work, you have to tell us why it does not, and then which part are you stuck on, and then what type of method you tried, and then why it does not work in the end. And then we want you to summarize what you can learn from what you learned from this subject in the end. We well learned from this project in the end. All right, it's gonna be a 3-week project, and then we expect you to use only the class time and the lab time. That's the only time you're gonna devote. But if you have some spare time, feel free to use it. But the workload should be done, should be able to done within the class time, right? And it's gonna be a teamwork. So for each of team A and team B, you're gonna create a repo, and then we're gonna let you guys to figure out who gonna do this, and then who's responsible on which kind of thing, how to make the the team member able to edit, to git pull push, to commit into the correct repo. What's the what's the authority of the team members are. We will just let you guys to figure out all of this. All right, and then yeah, kind of get the open source project down. And there's a bunch of different ways you can do this. I personally would just pull it into a different folder, and then copy paste or cut the things I need to the repo I created, and then push the repo kind of details. Well, let you guys, you're gonna encounter a lot of difficulties. You can mess up things. It's all fine. It's all fine. It's just to give you a chance to practice all these techniques. Don't worry, make mistakes. Right? And the platform you guys can use to discuss is Discord. So does everybody have access to Discord? That kind of the platform Betsy created for this coronavirus scenarios?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. If yes, please log on to the Discord, and then I will show you. So this is the Discord we have, and then if you log on, we can see each other here. I guess right now we have Max, Patrick, Thomas, and then Gracie offline, and then we don't have Eli and Max and the Cameron. Yeah, please log on to here. And then we create 2 channels for each team. So team A, which is have Patrick, Max, Gersi, and Thomas. So you 4 are in team A, and then there's a team B channel where Josh, Cameron, and Eli are in team B channel. So you guys gonna collaborate here in your own channel. All right, so yeah, you can. Hello. So I can talk to Josh. Try now, I guess. Yeah, there will be echo. Anyway, so yeah, goes to your own channel and discuss with your team member how you're gonna do this. And I'm gonna check in with you on every Tuesday. So this time, basically at 2:10 here. Or on Zoom, yeah, on Zoom here. And next Tuesday, this time I'm gonna log into Zoom again. Otherwise, I will just be here on Discord to help you guys if you have any issues. And then also, after the lab, please, if you have questions, please post it on Piazza so we can help you as we see it. All right. Yeah, maybe I shouldn't be there, otherwise it will be echo. Yeah. So all right, that's pretty much the instruction I can give you today to start the project. Oh, and for the report is a huge part which we're gonna be great on this project. And then I'm trying to Betsy and I and Jason are gonna discuss whether this gonna be your like final exam thing. So I guess right now I think it would be worse the final exam. So So please do good on the report. So I would, if I were you, I would just, you know, document everything I have as I go, and then in the end submit. So there's no page limit, there's no formatting constructions, as long as, you know, we can read, some people can read, can understand what you're trying to write. All right, trying to be as professional as you can, all right, in the document, but there's no, you know, format restrictions, and there's no page limit as well. So I would, you know, document all the things as I go if I were you.
So that report has to be at the very end of the project?
Yes, yes. So yeah, although you're gonna submit in the end, there's gonna be a deadline, you know, before the semester end. There's gonna be a deadline. You have to submit a report, otherwise all the members in the team gonna get a 0. But I would encourage you to write the report as you go, and then, you know, you can just recording everything, document everything you have encountered, and then in the end you can like kind of formatting the document. You know, just like what we did here, you can just easily create a Google Doc and then share it with your team members, and everyone can type in and then see what's going on, and then put on screenshots, and then put on the explanation of the screenshots. Yeah. All right. So any questions regarding the project? All right, if no questions, I will just let you guys go and then collaborate in Discord. And then let me know if you have any questions. Okay, cool. All right, I will just stop the videos. See you guys in Discord.
Yep, see you in Discord.
See you.